This video gives an overview of the first part of the slides posted for week 1. So these slides are for students in the following sections. So just so you know, everybody's seeing the same slides and hearing the same information. As I mentioned in my introductory video, if your class is scheduled on Monday, even though we don't have a class during week 1, I'm still expecting you to read or view the content in these slides and complete all of the activities. That'll be the same when you miss class for Thanksgiving. Each week I post an agenda for our PowerPoint slides so you have an idea of the topics that we'll be covering. I'm going to talk about our high five reflection, so I've highlighted it in yellow. That's going to be an assignment that will be due, but it's not due right away, so I'm just giving you a heads up about that. Please be sure, I invite you to take a look at my LinkedIn profile to learn a bit about me and my experiences. So from the course outline, this is what the course description is. So take a moment to pause the video and read the slides as I go through them, please. Our course learning outcomes are listed. So these are the things that I'll need to assess or evaluate your ability to achieve. And this is how I'll do it. So in the evaluation description, it tells you what I'm going to be, what the assignment is, and what course learning outcomes it evaluates. So the first item is a reflection, and there will be 5 of these assigned, and 4 of them will count. So I'll drop your lowest grade. And they're going to be throughout the semester, and the specific dates are in the assignment Dropbox and DC Connect and posted here. There's a personal branding assignment, and it will be made up of 2 things, an elevator pitch and a LinkedIn account. There will be an informational interview and thank you assignment, and it will be made up of these 3 things. There will be a targeted cover letter and resume assignment made up of a cover letter and resume that you submit, and a mock interview, and it'll be scheduled in either week 13 or week 14, and you'll know at least 3 or 4 weeks ahead of time what date you're giving your interview or having your interview and at what time. So now I'm going to just go to DC Connect and show you some of the things that are on the course. So we've got the home screen with the information about how I'm delivering the class. As well, if you scroll down, it will list the dates that your assignments are due. Okay. Under content, you'll see I post things as week 1, week 2, week 3, and in each of the weeks, there will be what learning objectives you'll achieve, the required readings, self-assessments, required activities, and then the links to the PowerPoint and any activities that we have. Your grades will be posted here in the gradebook. Okay. And activities, if you click under that, all of the assignments that you need to submit, there'll be a Dropbox for them, and you'll need to submit them by the due date. Okay. I do want to mention that there is a program policy on lates, and so it's printed in the course outline, and I've posted it again here. If there are extenuating circumstances, especially during these extenuating times, and you require an extension, just send me an email by 11:59 the day before an assignment is due. And please note that if an assignment is due at 3 p.m., then the assignment is late at 3:01. There has to be a cutoff somewhere. So if you know that you're going to have some childcare issues, work issues, I don't need to know what the issue is, but there's an extenuating circumstance, please let me know by 11:59 the day before, and I'd be happy to give you a bit of an extension. This ends the first video for week 1.